Welcome to Sistematica WebTools. The online service help desk is a web portal accessed through a computer or the dedicated web app for tablet or smartphone. Upon purchase, you will be sent an email to register your account. By clicking the red button, your email will be confirmed as user, and you will be required to create a password of at least 5 characters of choice. User and password will always remain the same. Once you have logged in with your credentials through the website sistematicaweb.it or the app, you will land on our homepage with the menu bar on the left. All information SmartLine radio-controlled systems send to Sistematica's web portal is stored on the cloud. In the Devices section, you will find all devices associated with your account and their information, which can be filtered by titles, for example, model, serial number, customer, or by any anomaly in progress. By clicking on one of the lines, you will access the database of a specific device. Here you can view the anomaly archived events in an interactive calendar format or see in real time what the device is monitoring on the vehicle in use. The documents attached to the remote-controlled system, the software available to it, or in the case of on-the-road assistance, the location of the smartphone to which the smartbox is connected. In the software section, you will find all the software of all the devices associated with your account. In the notes, you can add a simplified description in order to recognize them faster. The related technical data can be downloaded in Italian or in English, while the last field visualizes the chronological history of any transfer to your clients. In the Users section, you will find all the accounts of your first-level customers, active or waiting for registration. By selecting a line, you can modify the permissions of users already created, as for example, the possibility to modify the software, the enabling of the virtual emergency remote control, radio frequency change, the master output selection, or handheld key control functions, the PIN code habilitation is granted in order to block the use of the physical products by any unauthorized personnel. To insert new users, just fill in the mask that appears by clicking the Add User button above the template. We remind you that once a brother or child class is confirmed, this permission cannot be changed. The Transfer section is used to consign the management of products associated with your account to users of your network like brothers, for example your colleagues, or child, for example a customer. Remember that you do not need to be connected to SmartLine remote-controlled systems to use the WebTools, as they are the storage portal tools on Sistematica's cloud platform. The portal is accessible from sistematicaweb.it or by downloading the app from Google Play or from the Apple Store. For more detailed information, you can consult the manuals for our services and apps on www.sistematica.it.